So we're gonna borrow the truck from Turo. What is that app called? To sell some metals, and then we're gonna let you know. We're gonna take you along. We're gonna sell some metals. Try to make a living off selling metals. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and borrow this truck right here from the app. The app is gonna be in the description. So yeah. So we're gonna take this truck right here. Check out this cool boat, you guys. So the guy from Turo is here now. So we can get the car from Turo, the app. Yeah.
You can send them like, go to that address, come here and use this.
So we got the app, this car off the app, the Turo. So we're gonna go get the metals from the house. Let's get on. We got the Turo truck here. Let's load the metal. Stop the truck. All right, so we got here. We got the metal. We're gonna load it on there. So we got the metals, and you have to have your ID. I need to go upstairs and get my ID because I forgot about that. We had to stop for gas because there was no gas. It went up?
Almost a quarter tank now.
Oh, good.
How far do you go, Ryan?
Okay. So guys, we're here to sell the metal from the trunk.
You have to go inside for it, I guess, or no?
No, I think they wave. Yeah, he said it's good.
Go? Okay.
Yeah. So they wave to us right now, so that means we're gonna go
You have to dump it.
and dump it somewhere. I think anywhere where all that crap is,
I
no?
want to go where there's nails and mess up this
So
You don't have anybody telling you where to put stuff?
no, it's no business today. Maybe just make sure it's not like wood or anything like that. Maybe just park her in front of this garbage right here, and I'll dump it in this pile right here. Oh, these are motors. Maybe just that pile then.
There's a guy over there. Do I ask him?
What guy?
Yeah.
No, he's working. He has a mask on, dude. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
like, what about the guy on the
We'll just dump it right here. There's too many cars over there.
What are you talking about?
You're going over there. Where are you going? Why you keep driving?
Is this all metal stuff?
I don't know. Let me go ask. Why you keep going?
Okay, go ask.
Stop driving. Are you still gonna driving? Yeah, he said go. He said go.
Go that way?
That guy said go that way. Yeah, he said over here. He pointed this way. Right over here? Okay. Yeah, right here. Where all this crap is.
Okay, I'm gonna back it up, Jerry, so that you can...
Yeah. I think he's saying to go. He's saying go. Stop. I need to help him with the trunk. This is broken. This is broken.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, it's broken.
Gas? Well, I would.
Wilkinson Jim. This company is the guy's name. That old man that was sitting in the back. That's his name. Seller, tin cans, $8.80 total.
Why did you pay Deaver money when it wasn't even hers?
I don't know. That's what she said. It's mine. She kept claiming it was mine.
By her giving that one away.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you know why? I did give it to her.
Alright guys, so there you have it, making a living of selling metals and borrowing cars from Turo. Like, subscribe, and share, check out links in the description. Peace out. Make sure you like, subscribe.